A very good morning, children. Today we are going to see a new poem. So open book page number 24. Our poem name is Nanhi Boonde. So it is very interesting poem, children. So listen carefully because you all know about raindrops. So how these raindrops come, and when the rain comes, what and all happens, and how do we feel. So that is what we are going to see in this poem. Okay, children. So listen carefully. So our poem starts like this. काले काले बादल की हम नन्ही नन्ही बूंदें हैं, शीतल जल की मीठे जल की नन्ही नन्ही बूंदें हैं. So what do you mean by this, children? So काले काले, काले काले means what? काले काले means black. Okay. Next बादल की means clouds. So काले काले बादल, where it will be? On the sky. Okay, so how when the rain comes, how does the sky will be? Yes, it will be black in color. Okay, हम नन्ही नन्ही बूंदे हैं. So how the raindrops will be? Will it be very big or very small? Yes, so नन्ही नन्ही बूंदे, so it will be very small drops. Okay, children, so he is saying that we are small raindrops. Okay, children. शीतल जल की मीठे जल की नन्ही नन्ही बूंदे हैं. So now what the poet is saying? How the raindrops will be? How the water will be? Yes, it will be pure and very sweet in taste. So that is what they are saying here. शीतल जल की means the rainwater is very pure, and मीठे जल की means very sweet in taste. Okay, so नन्ही नन्ही बूंदे हैं. So when the rain comes, all the clouds become black in color, and after that, after some time, when the rain comes, the raindrops are small in size, and the water is very pure and sweet in taste. Okay, children. Next, बादल के पंखों पर बैठ आसमान से उतरकर आती, रिमझिम छमछम मीठा गाकर झूम झूम कर जल बरसाती. Now what this raindrop is saying, that this raindrop is always hidden in the clouds. So when it is about to rain, the clouds start moving. You all would have seen, right, children? Yes. So when the clouds start moving, they imagine that this raindrop is sitting on the feather of the cloud. Okay, so that is what they have described here. बादल के पंखों पर, so he is sitting on the feather of what? Cloud. Okay. आसमान से उतर कर आती means it is sitting on the feather of the cloud, and it is directly coming to the earth. Okay, children. Next, rimjim cham cham meetha gaga. So while coming, how the sound will be? You feel very nice, right? So with the sound, we can imagine that it is raining outside. Yes or no, children? So rimjim cham cham means it is the sound of the rain, and what they are saying, the raindrop is saying that I am singing song and enjoying this, and I am coming down. Okay, children. Next, मुँह दो देती फूलों का हम, पेड़ों को हरियाली देती, जीवन उसको मिल जाता है जिस प्राणी को हम छू देती. Now what this raindrop is saying? So while the rain has come down, what it does? It makes all the flower very fresh, and it makes the flower clear also. Okay, the dirts and all will go away from the petals of the flower. Yes or no, children? So you feel fresh. When you see the flower, it looks very fresh. So that is what this raindrop is saying, that मुँह दो देती फूलों का हम. So it is cleaning the face of the flower. Understand? Next, पेड़ों को हरियाली देती, पेड़ों को हरियाली देती मीन्स इट इज़ गिविंग फ्रेशनेस और ग्रीनरी टू whom? पेड़ों, पेड़ों मीन्स what? Trees, you all know, right? Yes, so pedo means trees. So it is the how the trees will be, it will be green in color and it will have a new leaves. Next, जीवन उसको मिल जाता है. So it gets life to all the plants and trees. जिस प्राणी को हम छू देती, so whom and all this raindrop is touching, everybody feels very fresh. Yes, no children? So we feel when the raindrop comes, we also feel very fresh. Next, छोटी है पर काम बड़े हैं, बूंद बूंद से सागर बरती, बढ़ जाता है जिसको छूती, खुशियों से भर जाती धरती. Now what is saying? छोटी है. How this raindrop is? It is very small. छोटी है means it is very small. पर means but. काम बड़े हैं. काम बड़े हैं means the work which is done by the raindrop is very big. Next, बूंद बूंद से सागर भरती. So each and every drop fills the sagar. Sagar means sea. Okay, so because of the rain, the sea also gets filled up. Yes or no, children? So sometimes you see flood also because of the rain. If it is overflowing, we get flood also. So that is what they are saying. A small raindrops will fill the sea. Bharti means filling. बढ़ जाता है जिसको छूती, खुशियों से भर जाती धरती. So whom and all it is touching, everybody feels fresh and they all will be very happy in the earth. Okay, so in the earth who and all are there, because of this rain everybody will feel very fresh and they all are very happy with this rain. Okay, children, was it very interesting, children? Yes, hope you all enjoyed this poem. So once read this poem completely and if you find any doubt please ask me. धन्यवाद बच्चों. Thank you, children.